like a ski.
Yeah. I think that'll be good. Just that, I think we'll be
Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So a question that was posed to our website is, can a house fall down a hill? Well, the answer is it's not really going to fall down the hill, it's going to slide down a hill. Almost like it's on a sheet of glass. It'll move almost as a complete unit, and it's more so once the slope has completely failed and there's no soil to help absorb the load of the house, where it'll actually start pulling the rest of the house or a portion of the house down the hill and ultimately into whatever's at the bottom, a valley, river, whatever it may be. So houses don't really fall down hills, but they do slide down hills. With all the rain we've been having, we've seen a lot in our area, so just keep that in mind. If you've noticed like retaining walls and sidewalks and patio slabs moving, it may be good to give us a call. We can come out there and take a look at it and let you know exactly what's going on with your slope. So that there is your foundation repair tip of the day.